Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for government employees. To begin, gather all your necessary documents, particularly your Form 16 from your employer. This form details your salary, allowances, and any tax already deducted from your pay. Additionally, compile records of any other income sources, like interest from savings, or documentation for deductions you plan to claim, such as medical expenses or home loan interest. Having these prepared saves significant time and ensures accuracy when you start filing. Understanding your income and potential deductions is key for a correct return. Your government salary forms the primary part, but also include income from house property or other sources like bank interest. Clearly differentiate between taxable portions of your salary and any exempt allowances, such as some special allowances or travel reimbursements. Crucially, explore deductions under sections like 80C for investments in Provident Fund or life insurance, and 80D for health insurance premiums, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. Once your documents are ready and income understood, select your filing method. Most government employees use Form ITR-1 or ITR-2, depending on their income types. You can file online directly through the Income Tax Department's portal, which is often straightforward and secure. Alternatively, you might choose to consult a tax professional for assistance, especially if your financial situation is complex. Regardless of your method, carefully review every detail, ensuring all figures match your records before you click Submit. To ensure a smooth filing experience, be aware of common pitfalls. Mismatched information between your Form 16 and your submitted return is a frequent issue, so always cross-verify. Also, ensure your bank account details are absolutely correct for any tax refunds to be credited without delay. Remember, the Income Tax Department provides extensive resources, including a robust online help section and dedicated helplines. If you encounter any difficulties, do not hesitate to use these official channels for accurate guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.